Imagine a group of neighbors gathering around a large wooden table, unrolling a blank map and pulling out a brand new set of tools. When it comes to building with artificial intelligence, nobody here is an expert, but people learn best side by side and out loud. At first, progress is quick and exciting. Everyone uses these new tools to build the obvious things: simple sheds, sturdy fences. In the world of AI, these are the early, easy wins, like automating basic paperwork or sorting data. Here's what happens next. A timeline of rapid early construction suddenly flattens out. Once easy projects are finished, momentum stalls. Worse, early AI systems freeze into rigid blocks, making them nearly impossible to adapt for complex needs. At the same time, the local safety rules start piling up. What began as a few smart guidelines to keep everyone safe quickly turns into a maze of heavy, complex permitting processes. Eventually, the bureaucracy becomes so dense that it stops all new construction entirely. Hitting this wall forces a hard realization. You can't keep building the exact same way and expect to move forward. You must rethink the approach. So, pull up a chair. Treating AI as a temporary, one-time construction project guarantees that your progress will stall. To keep going, a community has to shift from crossing off a checklist to making learning a permanent daily habit. Making that shift starts right here at the table. Instead of working entirely alone in separate yards, the builders sit down together to look at what's working, and more importantly, what isn't. This diagram shows why gathering together is so crucial. All those separate points of feedback, the errors, the complaints, the broken tools, funnel into a central forum. Collecting data is useless on its own. It only becomes valuable when people who actually have the authority to change the building plans sit down and discuss it. But those honest conversations only happen if the environment is safe. If a builder gets punished every time a structure leans to the side, they will simply start hiding the cracks. When fear takes over, innovation stops completely. Every tumbling tower leaves behind a vital piece of information. When builders treat a fallen block as a learning investment, they figure out exactly how to reinforce the foundation for the next attempt. Building a culture that safely absorbs these mistakes without pointing fingers is your strongest defense against getting stuck. It provides the exact stability needed to adapt as the landscape changes. Talking about those lessons at the table is the first step. The second step is making sure they are never forgotten when the conversation ends. You need a place to write things down. When an organization documents exactly why a project succeeded or why a certain rule was put in place, new neighbors can join the community without ever having to start from scratch. It creates a shared memory. The guiding principle is simple. What one person figures out, everyone gets to keep. And just as you add to the ledger, you also have to be willing to erase. Over time, rulebooks get cluttered with outdated restrictions. To stay agile, the community has to actively review those rules and throw away the ones that no longer serve a purpose. Routinely clearing out the overlapping bureaucracy and redundant permits frees up the builders to move quickly, while still holding on to the core safety standards that actually matter. Meticulously recording shared knowledge and aggressively pruning away old red tape, these are the invisible, load-bearing beams that support steady, long-term growth. When a community masters these habits, their perspective changes. They stop looking at individual, isolated sheds and start seeing the entire town. Looking at this map, we see the next phase of development. These bridges represent second-generation AI projects. They are complex structures that connect completely different departments, and they are only possible to build now because of the shared learning and trust established at the table. These new connections specifically target the deep inefficiencies, the awkward handoffs and information bottlenecks that exist right at the borders where one department's work ends and another's begins. And because the community is constantly sharing recipes and making small, daily adjustments, those improvements compound. A slightly better tool today leads to a stronger bridge tomorrow, creating massive, durable changes over time. The tools will always keep changing. The specific technical skills you use today might be entirely different next year. The only permanently valuable skill is human curiosity, the drive to figure out how to build something a little bit better. So when you approach AI, don't worry about knowing every technical detail. Come as you are. there's room at the table. Success depends on the resilience of the community. Ultimately, mastering AI means maintaining the shared habit of learning together as the technology continues to evolve.